There are so many delicious sweet things to serve for the holidays, but today we're gonna do something a little bit more savory. We're gonna use everything bagel seasoning, but not on any of the normal stuff. There will be no bagels. These are gonna be everything bagel seasoned nuts. So we're gonna make a delicious homemade nut mixture. So tasty. Great to add to any sort of appetizer board, charcuterie, serve as a little snack while you're making dinner for a holiday meal. Let's get in the kitchen and make these. For this recipe, I used a blend of mixed nuts, but you could always use only cashews, only walnuts, you know. You can buy everything bagel seasoning at Trader Joe's or make your own. I gotta be honest, like separating the egg from the egg yolk isn't my favorite, but it's kind of slimy and I don't know, like something I do with my toddler. He probably should be here for this. All right, bye-bye. So good. Wow. Hot. They're hot. Woo! Too hot. I don't recommend this. I'm gonna do it anyway. Delicious.